Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, and let me show you how to activate TalkBack on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and then go to accessibility. Here you'll find TalkBack under downloaded services, so just open it, and if you'd like to activate this feature, which will provide you with spoken feedback so you can use your phone without looking at the screen, just click here to activate it. Now confirm that you want to do it, tap on allow. Here you've got the tutorial, but let me go back and let me click here and you'll be able to hear all the details regarding TalkBack.
So that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or partially sighted. To navigate using TalkBack, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off TalkBack, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK. In list 3 items.
So this is it. You can also turn off the watermark. Just click here, and as you can see, it's no longer here. To do it, you have to click on it once and then double tap as it's written in the instructions. So all you have to do is to tap once on some particular button and then double tap to select it. Then if you'd like to switch TalkBack off, just mark it, double tap, mark the accessibility, and then click twice to switch it off, tap on stop, and double tap to confirm it. So this is it. This is how you can activate and use TalkBack, also how you can switch it off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.